guys, Matt here from Tag Out Cruises. We're down here in Key West, Florida. Gonna go down to hop on to Rampage Fishing Charters and go down there and try and, what they say, catch some yellow-tailed snappers, some groupers, possibly even some sharks. Unfortunately, right now the groupers aren't in season, so if we catch any, we're gonna have to let them go. But they'll still be worth the catch. So we're gonna run out there. We got four other guys going out there with us. These guys do 2 tours a day for 5 hours, 6 guys per boat. The captain's name's Barry and the first mate's name's Eric. So we're gonna go jump on board and see what we can do. Not real impressed about doing that, huh?
You'll get tired real fast. It's a short. Then we're on if he wants to. It looks like a lemon color.
Got a shark.
This is a good place to
We got a shark on.
Peep it? Yeah. Awesome.
Oh, there he runs. He said,
All right.
not today.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to catch you in the head there.
Not today.
Do we want the gaff?
No, he'll grab it.
He'll grab it?
Back hip, he'll grab it.
Yeah, here, Bart. Go on.
Fine.
He said, I've seen that ponytail. And, he got scared. He got scared. None yet.
Yeah.
We got another shark.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
You got it. Okay.
Babe, watch your feet.
Nice.
Keep going.
Good job.
Yeah.
They're still on there.
Hell yeah.
Get that line tight. So that means you gotta reel down with it.
Line's still out.
There we go. Don't like that side of this boat. But what you're doing right now, you're making him tired. There he is, a nice sized shark. Look at that. It's gonna either be a black tip or a lemon. You gotta reach in its mouth and take off the hook.
Yeah.
Now, can we keep either of
Isn't
those?
that how it works? The person who
Swim
gets
with it. Like, that's really
Gotta
the
reach in
deal.
the mouth and take off the hook. Yeah, I don't like the boat. Gotta go. He's doing that. You gotta get in there. Is this on light tackle? It is. No. Oh, okay, good. I'm glad I changed that line. Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah. See, that's... Number on. Oh, he goes right up. Well, that's okay. Number on. Oh, no. Yeah, I got him. You gotta grab that fan. I know, I got it. Oh my God. I got a real bad hold on him. I know you do. One way and then probably the other way back to sandpaper. Yeah.
All right.
Let me get right there.
Wow.
Okay. Look at the name of that boat. No kids.
Don't let it go.
No. Hit the bird. Holy! You want to see the picture of that guy that lost his arm?
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh my God!
Why'd you jump?
I don't know.
He makes sausage.
I was like, really? Beer is hard, but I can't imagine.
2 weekends ago.
Are Hispanic, and my mom lives on the city side, and they live on the county side, literally across the street. And they've got goats and pigs in there, and you can hear them every once in a while scream.
Yep. Yeah, these goats, they got some sort of like, it's like an arthritis for goats, but it's not transferable to humans. What's going on, guys? Boy, I'll tell you, we just got off the ocean, and Barry and Eric, his first mate from Rampage Charters, did not disappoint. Did not disappoint. Boy, we went out there and it was action from start to finish. We went out there, the current got a little bit strong, we had to move spots, they got us right back on to fish. I mean, those two guys, they did a hell of a job. I highly, highly recommend them if you guys come down here to Key West. We caught a bunch of yellowtail snappers, probably somewhere in the range of 30 to 40 of those. Caught 3 groupers in total, had to throw them all back. The one was 24 inches and was legal to keep if we were in season and able to keep it, but unfortunately we had to throw it back. I ended up catching a black tipped shark, which is in season at the moment, which we were able to keep, and so we're gonna try and take that home and cook that up and see how that turns out. We also caught 4 lemonheads, and we couldn't keep those. Those are not in season at the moment. Well, fortunately, those were all bigger than the black tip I caught, but they were still one hell of a catch. I ended up having 2 that broke off on me. Amy, she caught a real big one. A couple of the other couples that we were out there with, they caught a couple of them as well. All in all, it was just an absolutely fantastic day with a great group of friends and a great group of guys helping us get on fish, and they did no short of that. So once again, if you guys come down here to Key West to try and fish, I would definitely check out Rampage Charters. They do 2-day trips, or they do 2 trips in a day, 6 people per boat. Yeah, I highly recommend them, guys. So yeah, I mean, all in all, we had a great day. Put some fish in the bags. We're gonna take them back home to PA and cook them up with some friends and families, and just enjoy what beautiful Key West had to offer. So, well, till next time, guys. Thanks a lot.